Hi, this is Linda again, and I am here to tell you about this new product that I found on Amazon.com, and it's really, really neat. I like this one. It is from Dollop, and it is spelled D-O-L-L-O-P. You can find them online for more information at www.newdollop.com. I got this from Amazon, and there will be a link on my page to show you how to order your own. One thing I need to tell you about the product up front is all the instructions is on the box. How things work, how the freebies work, and stuff like that. So don't throw away your box. The pepper mueller and the salt mueller or mill open up at the bottom here. I'll put some of my peppercorn in there. I put the lid back on it. No, they're just so cute too. You take off the lid, and you know, a lot of the old pepper muellers don't have covers for the grinding area where you grind and the pepper comes out, and this one does, and I really like that. You know, with everything that can be, I mean, Arizona, we get dust a lot, and we get a lot of little dust bunnies too. I have rheumatoid arthritis really, really bad, and my old pepper muellers I couldn't use. This one I can. You just easily grind it, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a lot of pepper on my paper towel. You put a lid on it. You can either leave it this way or this way. I kind of look like this. Make sure you tell your grandkids it's not candy, okay? This company, Dollop, also has given us some freebies. Silicone is the rave right now. It is the best thing to have in your kitchen. As somebody that cooks gourmet all the time, I also bake. I bake fancy cakes for birthdays. I use fondants and all that. So I love silicone. And it's, when you get to silicone, you could put it away and it doesn't take up so much room, which is great too. This is a funnel, which I really like because it collapses to nothing, okay? I have a funnel that's red, and every time I put it away, it hits. I have to make sure nothing's around it so the drawer will close. So this is going to replace that for sure. The company also added a tray for a citrus, for lemons and oranges. These are citrus sprays, and what you do is you put it into the core of an orange or a lemon. There's a smaller one here for lemon, and you turn, and once you start turning, it kind of sucks right in there, okay? And it easily sprays. I sprayed my husband in the eye with it. So you can spray your cookies or some a salad with some orange zest in there or lemon zest, and it is really, really good. I usually use the juicer to do it, but this lets me control how much I want to put on there. The pepper muellers is the product to have if you cook or if you like freshly ground pepper and salt. It is the better way to go as far as health, and this actually can go ahead do the Himalayan salts, which I have ordered, so I can put in there. And those are not those are really inexpensive, and you can get those on Amazon.com as well. Again, this product is Dollop, and you can get it on Amazon.com. You can get it on the page that I'm going to be linking up to, and you can also get them on www.newdollop.com. If there's anything you want me to review for you, or if you would like to see something, or I can definitely do it for you. All right, I hope you have a great day and enjoy your day. Oh, and happy 4th of July.